promise that you'll catch me.
And just before we start, guys, make sure you got a gun and a player. So yeah, and she got those first before this video starts. So yeah, let's get into it now, guys. What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you all, you guys, how to create a torrent or a gun shooter game. I play to shoot so play to shoot stuff. So here what I got is a torrent, and this is the player from the last video. You check it out if you don't know how to create a top down moving character right here. So as you can see here, the torrent is not following our player, and neither is it going to rotate, but we're going to fix that by adding all the conditions necessary for this. So I'm going to create a group and call this group gun. So once the gun group, you create a group and label it anything you want to label it. Let's get into it. So first you're gonna want this to work with the player or on the player. So first thing you're gonna do is go here, click that thing here, and go into edit point. When you got edit points, you're gonna click this to add more, and you're gonna point create it. You're not gonna see the point. Oh shit. A point. Okay, create a point. Now here we got the point. I'm gonna call this one thing. We'll call this hand. So this is what the gun's gonna stick on this point. I'm just gonna do this 3-3. So this blue thing here. Zoom in. This blue thing here. This is the point where the gun will be attached to. So I'm gonna put this point, or maybe in the middle area. Okay, it's hand. Remember, it's hand. So next step I'll recommend you to is to torrent, edit, and add the point. You're not gonna add any point to the torrent, but what I'm gonna want you guys to do is to move the red in this spot here, and move the yellow in this spot here. The red, I'll just simply explain this as easy as possible. The red arrow represents where the hand point going to be attached. So the red is going to attach to the hand point, and the yellow will be the area that will be rotated from. So I'm just giving you this simple rundown of it instead of talking about it. So if let's apply now and put in the action. So we have the gun set up and everything, the event and everything. Torrent position X set equal, yes, if it is, so you can say position set X of torrent set equal to 0, which is a player. Do it for same thing, position Y 0 apply. So we're basically saying you say setting equal to the X position of 0 and to the Y position of 0. So yeah, let's press OK, and let's go here. This 0 is the character here, and this is the gun, and there's one. Now let's play. So now you can see the guns following the player. It's on top of the in this middle part. So clear, what we have to go do now is make it target on hand, because we haven't set it to hand yet because there's nothing in the bracket. So what we're going to do is put to the kind of stuff, these bracket stuff, and type in hands in it. Do it for both of them, both Y and X, and do it for both of them. Plus apply. What? Okay, yes. Make sure set equals is on there. Make sure everything's correct, and press play. Now you see for player everywhere it goes. So now we're gonna want to make it rotate now. So make sure you have another event to represent it's rotating, and let's go here. So now first, so now we have rotate towards position, and I'm gonna say rotate toward the position of mouse cursor. Apply. Y apply, and in 360 degrees angle. Now we're gonna press play, and now when the cursor moves, you can see it moving. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy my video. So please subscribe and like and turn on the notification bell. You guys know how to go.